Hi, we're on ArcoLinuxB and we discovered that we can actually build our own ISO. We can even change applications on it, so we can decide whatever we'd like on our ISO and how it's going to look with what icons and themes and all that. And it seems all pretty easy in the sense that we need to do something here. Git clone, copy, and let's have a look. How does it work? We go to the desktop, open a new window maybe, open a terminal, Ctrl-Shift-V. That's what we need to do. We need to copy paste it in a terminal. Okay, then what's going to happen? Then we have a folder with scripts. And in here we have a file which contains all the packages, it seems. So that's what Eric is talking about, is Lego blocks. All the packages you require to have a working system, in this case Cinnamon. But I do like to have LibreOffice on it, and I do like Inkscape as well. And where is GIMP? There is GIMP, and voila. You just save it, Ctrl-S, and what you know, this will be included on the ISO when I build it. So rather than downloading, I'm just gonna go and experience ArcoLinux this way. Then I'm going to install, well, go to the installation scripts and going to think about which one will I run. If it's the first time I've done this build, then you go for 30. If it's the second time around, you go for 40. And the difference is that there's a specific folder on your system where the pacman var cache is, and it's cleaned out. So if you want to clean out every old stuff that you have been gathering all these weeks, this is the script to do that. So just get rid of it. Now, nothing will happen to your system. It's just cache, right? Cache is something that's there to help you have faster access to stuff, like also for browsers they have cache. The thing is, either I'm running this one, which is going to clean everything out. I need to download everything again. 1.5 gigabyte is at this point in time in my var cache, or I'm gonna build this one. And since I'm building them all in at once, I have all the packages already on my system. And if you have problems with internet connections and bandwidth usage and all that, number 40 is gonna save the day. You just download it once and build it 15 or 18 times, because ArcoLinux has 18 ISOs. There we go. We do not download anything. We are already straight away installing because of the fact that we have all the stuff already installed our system. Have a look at file system and var, cache, pacman, packages. It's already here, so I don't need to download it. Some of them maybe I should download or I will download, but it's just a minority. In this case, it's all about Cinnamon things. So this is Mint Locale, ISO flag, Cinnamon stuff. Cinnamon stuff was not yet here. Muffin was not here. Nemo is the Explorer kind of thing for them. So all the lib stuff. So I do need to download because these packages were not on my var cache. I'm now at 1,712 and 2.2 gigabyte already as cache. Having installed ArcoLinux, ArcoLinuxD, ArcoLinuxB Extended, ArcoLinuxB Awesome, ArcoLinuxB PWM, Budgie, and now Cinnamon. With all these ISOs, I have a bunch of packages or Lego blocks on my system to build a new system. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pause the video. All right, it's finished. 1.gig is out, and ArcoLinuxB Cinnamon 2020, that's a date, that's a month, and that's the version in that month. So we are mid-February, almost release time. But somewhere in our machine there is an ArcoLinuxB out, and in this case I've built this one, the Cinnamon version. So Cinnamon is from Linux Mint. Maybe you've known, heard that, or tried that. Awesome desktop environment. I've been working on Linux Mint for 3-4 years. You'll find lots of videos about Linux Mint. Also on ericdubois.be, lots of info. And it is still all just Linux. It is all the same. The Cinnamon is a Cinnamon from there. Of course, there are elements that are different, and that's good that there's this difference. But basically the feel is still Cinnamon for you. these are all the packages that have been produced with a little script. And it's now time to burn the ISO. There's lots of tutorials. We can probably gonna find it. Maybe I'll include it in this video. So ArcoLinux, everything, and then everything you need to know, and then burn ISO. How about that? What will Google give me? Everything you need to know about burning an ISO to USB. That's it. This is the article I wanted to get. It's first on the list. Basically, it says go and use Etcher if you don't have ArcoLinux already, because we have our own USB image writer that never ever fails unless there's a Python update, but that's normal. But it says use Etcher, or if not, if this is in your possibilities, then you can use DD. All right, so that's a possibility as well, to burn an USB on an ISO on USB. All right, I'm out. Have fun building ISOs.